Okay, so taking a look at this, we want to graph the solution of the inequality. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this inequality. 4 is going to be greater than, and then we have negative y fourths. Okay, now a couple of things. First and foremost, we could either move this negative up or move this negative down to make it easier to see what's going on here. Because I eventually want to get y by itself, it doesn't make sense to move it up. I want to go ahead and move this down. I'm going to see if this is going to be y is going to be greater than, sorry, 4 is going to be greater than y over negative 4. Okay, so I moved that negative sign down into the denominator. So now what we can see is happening is that this negative, or this y, is being divided by negative 4. So we're going to cancel out that by multiplying both sides by negative 4. We're going to undo that division. So we can cancel out this divide by negative 4. Negative 4 times by negative 4 is going to give us negative 16. And then we're only left with y on this side over here. Now again, we're using that same rule where if we are multiplying or dividing both sides of the inequality by a negative number, right? We multiplied over here by negative 4, we multiplied over here by negative 4, multiplied it on both sides of the inequality. We have to take our sign and we have to make it change direction. So it goes from being greater than to being less than. So then we have our answer of negative 16 is less than y. Okay. Now that means that y has got to be bigger than negative 16. So we're going to be looking at a open circle because there's no line underneath our sign here. And we're going to go to all of the numbers that are bigger than negative 16 because negative 16 is less than everything that we're looking for. So to get to all the numbers that are bigger than negative 16, we're going to go to the right. Okay. Now, if we would like to, we could rewrite this so that this looks a little bit better. We can rewrite this. When we rewrite this, we can rewrite it so that y is on the other side. When we do that, we need to see, okay, because it's still open towards the y, I need to keep my sign open towards the y, and that's negative 16. So these two forms are the exact same thing, just written in different ways. Y is greater than negative 16, or negative 16 is less than y. We are still going to have open circle, and it is still going to be going to the right to all the numbers that are bigger than negative 16. So we're going to go ahead and grab our symbol here. We're going to open circle because we're not including negative 16. And we're going to go to the right to include all numbers that are bigger than negative 16 or have a greater value.